Hey everybody, welcome again to Ju's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe for Mee Rebus. One lemongrass, one garlic, one green chili. This is chicken stock. Yeah, this is one onion. This is combination of onion, garlic, and ginger, which I've covered previously. Same thing, 2 scoops. Yeah, this one is 2 spoonful of curry powder. This is cumin 1, coriander 1, and 1 teaspoon, small teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is grounded peanuts. Yeah, groundnuts. You can ground it first, fry it, and then blend it. You can get this. Yeah, this is about 4 spoonful. Yeah, and this one is salt and brown sugar, and this is white sugar. Okay, this is actually this is soyabean, fermented soyabean, which has been blended until like this. This is about 2 to 3 spoon of grounded soyabean, so it's up to you how much you want. Yeah, this is chili paste, like previously mentioned in my previous cooking. Yeah, this is about 2 spoonful, and this one is tapioca flour, which I've mixed with water. Tapioca flour about 4 spoonful, and this is what you get. Yeah, and a little bit of coconut milk later. Alright, now let's go to the cooking. Yeah, so the methods for the cooking, the oil is about 1 ladle of the oil. Yeah, and then we will start first with putting in the lemongrass, stir fry it. And then put in the blended onion, garlic, and ginger. Slightly adjust the fire to make sure that it's high enough to ensure that the ingredients are properly cooked. And then put in the fermented soyabean. Followed by all the various powders. Yeah, curry powder, cumin powder, Tumeric powder, and all those powders. And then stir fry. Next is the chili paste. Put in the chili paste. Make sure that the ingredients are properly stirred and nicely cooked until it's really fragrant, and then you can add the rest of the items. Yeah. Now you add in the peanuts. Then add in the salt, sugar, brown sugar, and everything in. Okay, so you need at least about 2 cups of water to add in here. But before you add, you make sure that it is mixed properly and stir fried about say 5 to 10 minutes, so to make sure that it's nicely and cooked and fragrance. You can smell the fragrance and all that. Yeah, see the color changes. So you need at least about 2 spoons of water. So just use back this because there's some sauce in there. Okay, until it's very nicely fragrant, you add in the water. Yeah. Now you add in the water. Okay, next you put in the chicken stock, okay, and make sure that it's dissolved properly in there. And finally you put in the coconut, which is just about this much, yeah, and followed by the tapioca water. It is tapioca powder plus water. This is meant to thicken the texture. You see the texture is thickening slowly. Yeah, there. See? Okay, and then add more water. If it's too thick, you can add more water in there. Yeah. And if you don't want it to be too thick, you can add more water. And then you'll see the texture changes. Yeah? These are the ingredients that you need to do garnishing on the noodle. So this is the yellow noodle. This is boiled egg. This is lime. This is the spring onion leaves and celery. This is the bean sprout, which you need to boil. This one is fried onions, and this is the tofu, fried tofu, where you diced very small and then you fried it. Yeah. So this is how you put it, the gravy. So basically pour the gravy in, and then followed by all the other ingredients here, the egg, the bean sprout, and then the fried onions and the tofu, and lastly the lime. Enjoy eating, enjoy cooking, have fun, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.